Hey, so welcome back. In this video, we are just going into details with the product that will involve multiple things. That is the purchases, the products in detail, and then we have brands and supplier, right? So let's do that. What options we can get at the add product, right? You can add a product type, which we have different types. Then you can add the product name, product code. If you don't want to make your own code, you can just click on this and it will generate automatically. Then we have a product secondary name. It's an optional field. Then we have the weight. It's an optional because not every product or thing has the weight, because as you know that we have digital product and service as well. And then you can have the brand name. For this you have to create the brand name here in the settings, uh, in this one. Okay, then we have the category, what kind of product it is. Then if you want, like when we like you have a main category for clothing, then you can create a subcategory named as kids clothes, or uh, gents or ladies or something kind of that. Then we have a product unit, that it's a piece. Okay, now it's a piece, and the sales unit is the piece, and the purchase unit is carton. Okay, for example, if you want to sell on base of the carton, like you purchase elements from another company in cotton, which is a packing complete pack of that has one box have uh, 10 of the elements. Okay, then you are going to sell on the per piece base. Okay, so how much it will cost, like you can add any of the cost, then you can set up the price. You can also change these prices on POS, which we will learn later. And then we have a text method, inclusive or not. And then you can set up the text to have text or not to have text. Then it's an optional thing. If you want to set up the image of the product, it's up to you. So you can better remember the product that you have added. Alert quantity means to the number of quantity on which uh, if the number of that stock hits, it will alarm you that your stock quantity is getting low, so you can purchase more. If you want to hide that product in POS, then it's up to you. Okay, shop module is not much recommended for any product because it's not designed well. That's why the POS module, if you want to sell this product on POS, you can have that. You can hide this, otherwise it will be shown there. Okay, if you want to some kind of add custom fields or any details, it's up to you. Otherwise you can just keep it as. And this is the product details for invoice. In this you can add, like if you're selling a medicine that needs some kind of special care, then you can add a note for it. Whenever someone purchases this product, it will be printed automatically to their invoice. Okay, here you can select the supplier for the product, right? You can add the corrections and it will be added. and then there is a supplier. You can add the supplier, more suppliers. Okay, and now if you want to create the supplier, how you will do this? For this you have to go in users, here you can name your business, name the person that comes to your store. You can have their email address as well, so their account can be created here, and then you can create a phone number for them, address for them, and their city name. So you know your supplier, where from where he belongs, and how you are going to engage with them. And now we will add a purchase of any product. Okay, it's a date. It's my warehouse one. The supplier, I'm going to choose. Okay, I will create a new one here. You can create a. Okay, I'm just adding the test supplier. You have to add a product name. Okay, so its address, I have set its price to this one, and I have purchased it for 5 packs of this, and it has created automatic bill in PKR. Okay, so I don't have to be more option for this one, like these options, right? So I will just submit, and it will add a new supply here, right? So it's simple. And there was another thing, that was the brand. For this you just have to go on settings and click on the brand, and here you can create a new brand. You can set an in code for it. Then there is the brand name, an e-description, or any logo of that brand. Right? In that way you can maintain your products, add sales purchases, and add the brands and suppliers for this. And one more thing I will share with you, there is an option of printing barcode label, right? Like we have one product, it was sunset cotton. Okay, so right, so if you have a printer, you can just print it on with a printer that is made for that's made for printing barcodes, right? Thank you so much.